Hey everyone, so this is the last and final video that I make on my Honda Civic because today, very sadly and very unfortunately, it had to go to the scrapyard. I never imagined this day would come because I had big plans for it, like a complete restoration and a full body paint job, and I always thought that I would preserve it until the end of time and take it to vintage car shows, but I guess that dream has been completely squashed. So today while I was driving and I took a turn at the intersection and the brakes just failed and I nearly missed having an accident. So that's when I just thought that I am so done with this car. I am really done because every week something or the other goes wrong, and after fixing it I would think that now things would run smooth, but it never happens. So I have spent endless amount of hours, and don't even ask me about the money I've put into this. It's just been way too much. This car has literally been like a white elephant for me. So yeah, I just picked up the phone and made a call to a guy I knew who deals in scrapping of cars, and asked him to come take the car off my hands. So this is how it went. So the decision to scrap the Civic wasn't an easy one at all. Right until I made that phone call, I was literally in a mental battle with myself, thinking and rethinking and rethinking if what I'm doing is the right thing. Maybe if I just repaired the brakes, this would be the last problem, but I knew I was just kidding myself. And I also realized that till the time you keep holding on to old things, you are blocking the space for newer and better things in your life. So with that thought of going on a new adventure with some other vehicle, I thought it was finally time to let the Civic go. So guys, that's it for my story with the Civic, and please do stay tuned to my channel to see what's coming up next. See ya.